Hi there guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I show a lot of content on hair care, skincare, makeup and sometimes vlogs as well. So without any further introduction, let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to talk about something really interesting and which is going to be a boon for my girlies who are not that great into doing eyeshadow but want to do eyeshadow but is scared to do eyeshadow, thinking that they might not be able to do it. Yeah, so you heard it right. So today I'm going to show you one product that is going to take away all your eyeshadow doing problem, okay, and you can do whatever styles of eyeshadow, bright colored liner, whatever you want with this one single product. So yeah, the product that I'm going to talk about today are these pencils, these pencil eyeshadows from Nykaa. So I understand that doing eyeshadow on your own completely, using these kind of eyeshadow palettes can become kind of difficult, right? And also if you are a working woman like me, we don't get a lot of time in the morning to use brushes, put the right shade, blend it in, then blend, and then again make the two eyes same. That is also one more stress and struggle, okay? So we don't have that much time, and also not a lot of us know exactly how to do a perfect eyeshadow, but we are girls, right? We want to look nice, we want to feel pretty, we want to look beautiful, and so a lot of us want to do, but we can't just because we don't have the time or the skill. But if you follow this video, please watch it till the end. These two products, the pencil eyeshadows which we have from Nykaa, is something that is really going to solve this problem. And also, okay, if you are pro at doing eyeshadow but you don't get the time in the morning to do all that hassle to look pretty, this is something which is going to make you look pretty very, very easily. So the product that I am going to talk about, that's quite a big mouthful of a name. So this is just a second. So this is from Nykaa. Okay, these are the Glamour Eyes eyeshadow. I have two shades. One is the green, another is the brown. Okay, so these the entire name of it. I have Nykaa open here. Nykaa Glamour Eyes Waterproof and Smudge Proof Shimmer Eye Pencil. Okay, so these are basically, if you see here, these are basically shimmer eye pencils, okay, so which you can use as, like right now I'm using it as a kajal as well as an eyeliner. You can use these as eyeshadow as well, hence the video, right? 1.2 grams of product. I think the green one costed me around 380 rupees and the brown one was around 360, 370. So yeah, this is kind of the range. You can easily get them from Nykaa, obviously because this is Nykaa product. You won't get them elsewhere, but these are extremely good. I'll show you guys. So these are the pencils that you can see. One is a brown one, another is a green one. These two are extremely hydrating. So these are not hard pencils like we have it from the local markets. These are not hard, these are extremely smooth, extremely buttery. Pigmentation is great, and most importantly gives enough time to blend. What does that mean? Which means that once you apply them on your eyes, you do get enough time to little bit smudge them and adjust them. These do not require a lot of blending, okay, and that is the reason why I have switched after I got these two eyeshadows. I rarely do go out for these kind of palettes, okay, because these are so easy, so less time taking, and also it lasts for a very, very long time. I go on these, I go to my office with these, I put these on, and at night at 11:30 ish when I come back, I still have these on my eyes. So yeah, it's that long lasting, that useful of a product. And also the pigmentation, the formula is butter, is like butter. It is smooth, it is easy to apply, does not irritate your eyes, does not give rashes, no redness, nothing. It is a beautiful product. I am a very, very big fan of this product, and especially how easy it made my life. Okay, I am someone who is makeup buff, so I definitely know how to do an eyeshadow, but then the kind of time it takes it's almost like I'm only doing I'm only doing eyeshadow on myself when I'm going for a party or when I'm going, for a big occasion. But why so, right? We need to do these, whenever we want. And that is the kind of flexibility these pencils actually gives you, right? And the formula is extremely hydrating. I'll show you the pigmentation. So the pigmentation you can see is top notch, guys. The pigmentation is to die for. The pigmentation is amazing, and because these are so easy, you can use this as, as an eyeliner. Funky green eyeliner, so cool, right? You can use this as your kajal. You can use this in any which ways you want, okay? But I'm also going to show you the brown one. So this is the brown one. You can see the pigmentation. The brown is kind of a bronze color, which is so flattering, which is so, nude, chic, everyday kind of a shade. And this is something that I often wear to my office. You can use this very well. It's very, very, daily wear kind of a shade, which you can easily use as an eyeliner, okay, as well as a kajal. Because because brown eyeliner is actually trending right now. So you can use this as a brown kajal and it's going to give you a very beautiful look. So now I am going to remove this makeup, come back to you and show you how you can easily use this like an eyeshadow, and how this can remove all the problems if you have in your life and you wanted to do eyeshadow and you're not able to. This is going to be a big problem solver. Let's get started. The only con that I can think about this product is, if you can see, these are pencils, right? So these are something that, whenever they get blunt, you need to sharpen them, and they are not like, retractable pencils. This is not so. So I have bought the, Lakme sharpener like this. I have this one and I use this for sharpening them. Other than that, there's no other problem. There's not a lot of product wastage or anything when you sharpen them. So it's pretty easy. Yeah, but if you compare it with a retractable pencil, yeah, it's a great product. So now we are going to see how we can use these as an eyeshadow and make our lives 100 times simpler. However, I just want to show you, I just washed this hand with soap, okay? And if you can see, these colors are still intact. These are completely smudge proof, 100% transfer proof. So I think that's great. Okay, and yeah, so I have removed my eye makeup completely, and now I'm going to use these and I'm going to show you guys how you can use it so easily. So we are going to come a little bit close, if this is fine. Yeah, okay, great. So I have my mirror over here, and I think I'm gonna use this green one. Yeah, I am suddenly today in mood of green. And along with that, I have my brush, the Pro Arte brush that I'm going to use for the smudging. I'll show it to you guys. This is Pro Arte brush AE21, a flat topped brush like this from Pro Arte. I don't know what is the name. Pro Arte AE21. I'm gonna link it. Okay, and what we will do now is we are using the green one. Okay, and I'm gonna look on this side because I have my mirror over here. We are going to draw a thick line on top, okay, like an eyeliner, but you don't have to be clean because we are anyway gonna smudge it out, right? So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to make a clumsy line on top of my eye. Don't go too much over the edge. You can make it thicker. And now we need to blend this out, okay? We can't delay because otherwise it's gonna settle down. But yeah, it's gonna give you enough time to blend. We will just move the brush from outside to inside, okay? From this motion, outside to inside, like this. So you can see that now we have got a nice, shade going on over there. And the intention is not to, completely fill till this, side with the green color. Rather, the intention is to smudge out the hard lines, okay? So now that I'm done on this side, if you want, you can pull a little bit and create, a wing as well. If you want, you can do that. I think this should be fine. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we need to smudge it quickly. So now you can see how the two has, I think it's so beautiful. It's looking really pretty. And yeah, you can do it in just under 2 minutes. You just need that one brush to blend it out and this pencil, and you're done. Literally, you're done. Okay. If you see, it's really looking nice, I think, and it has got somewhat of a Christmas vibe if you wear it with a red top or something. And yeah, now what we can do to complete this look, we can draw a very thin line. Okay, I'm just gonna do it on top of this. I'm just drawing a line and not making it even more something, just a line along the edge. I hope, okay, it's not equal. Okay, so see, so you can see how easily I created this look using, I think, just one eyeshadow blender and one of the eye pencils, which is the Nykaa Glamorize. So you can see how easily I have created this look, and I think it's really pretty. You don't need a lot of energy, a lot of effort, not a lot of blending or eyeshadow skills. Okay, it's not really required. So if you're really someone who have always been wanting to do eyeshadow real quick, funky, easy, and simple, very simple steps under 2 minutes, this is what you need to do. I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something new today. If you were looking for that, you can order these Glamorize from Nykaa. I love these totally. And yeah, please do share this video with fellow girlies like us. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.